Hi, I heard you're super excited because you've decided you want to purchase a home. And what are those first steps? Here's how it goes in a quick version. Find a real estate agent, find a lender, reverse that. Find a lender, find a real estate agent. Doesn't matter which direction, as long as those two steps are done. The lender sets the budget. You search for a home. You put in an offer. It gets accepted. Yay! Then you go to attorney approval for 3 to 5 business days. After that's done, you go to home inspection. Once that's completed, the title goes out for the title insurance company to make sure that there's no liens against the property before you purchase it. And the lender comes back and asks you for all the paperwork to go to the underwriter. And the underwriter says, don't forget to get an appraisal. So the lender gets an appraisal of your home so that they can lend you money. And they all come back at once. The appraisal comes back, the title comes back clear, the underwriter for your lender comes back and says, yes, we will loan them money. And now you have clear to close. You go to the final walkthrough, and then you go to the closing table, sign your name 100 times, everyone shakes your hand and says, congratulations, you're a new homeowner. That's my speedy version. And there is a PDF at the bottom with step-by-step with many, many details. Now, I can do a slower version. Find a good real estate agent. Find a good lender. If you don't know a lender, ask your real estate agent. You will get pre-qualified or you will get a pre-approval letter. This will set your budget for looking for a home. Don't go by the top number unless you've done all the calculations, because you do not want to be home poor, cash poor. In other words, if they say you can afford a $350,000 home, do all the math, include the PMI insurance if you need it. You may not. Ask your lender. How much to insure your home? How much are you budgeting in to save for anything that may go wrong in your new home? Once you figure that out, start searching for a home. Once you find the right one, your real estate agent will put an offer in for you. And when that offer is accepted, your agent will tell you that you have, and you'll agree on this when you put in the offer, that there is an escrow deposit check that holds the property and shows your seriousness. It's usually 1% of the home price. So let's say the house is $250,000. That escrow deposit check that you have to write is $2,500. That gets mailed to the broker agent on the seller's side, okay? And they hold it, and you can get that back if something goes wrong with the sale. You can't get it back if you wake up one day and say, oh, I don't want to buy this house. Then the seller gets to keep it. But that's a whole nother deal. Then you'll go to attorney approval process for 3 to 5 days. If you don't know a real estate attorney, ask your agent. Then, again, you go to the home inspection. I have a video on that. I will share that link with you. Once home inspection is done, again, title insurance goes out and your lender starts asking for lots of paperwork. You'll give it all to them. It will go to the underwriter. There'll probably be more questions. Then there will be an appraisal to make sure the house is worth what you're paying for. Otherwise, they don't lend you the money. That's always sad. But usually the appraisal's just fine because you have a good real estate agent. Title comes back. Mortgage contingency is back. And now you get clear to close. You go through the final walkthrough, which I can have a video on that too, tell you what things to look for to make sure there's no damage to the house or unseen damage if furniture was in the way, there was a broken window. Hopefully none of that happens. And then, again, go to the closing table, sign your name 100 times, and congratulations, you are a homeowner. Make many happy memories.